Hey there, it's Kristen with K Design Co. And today I want to show you a quick and easy little trick that you can do on your Showit website to get that little date in the bottom of your website footer to update automatically for you every year. So every year at the beginning of the new year, you might have to remember to update that date, or you may have even forgotten from years past, but this way you won't have to even worry about that at all. It'll be all automatically done for you. So down here, this little date in the footer, this is what I'm referring to. So you want to make sure that that end date is always up to date with the current year. So this is what I'm going to show you with two little pieces of code that you can add to your site. So go inside of Showit and you're going to go to the text box where that date is listed. And then I'm going to actually grab my little piece of code here, or at least the beginning of it. And I'm going to click on my text box, and then on a Mac, you're going to hold down Option, or Windows, you'll do Alt, and then double click the text box. So then you're going to go to where you see the end date, and then you're going to paste this, which just says span ID equals current year. And then we're going to make sure we also close that with a span closing tag. And so this will add a kind of current year span around that ending date. And then the second thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you update this year with kind of a fallback value. So you could put the current year that you're in, but actually just to show you as an example that this is working, I will actually make it last year just so you can see once I update the code. So once you have that span added around your end date, then you're going to add a little piece of JavaScript here. Copy this code that I'll also share, and this is going to tell it to basically overwrite whatever this span says, as long as the person has JavaScript enabled on their browser, which most people do, or otherwise it will default to your fallback date that is listed here. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then I will do a preview so that you can see that it is working here. So even though it's showing as, even though it's showing as 2023, you can see down here, my JavaScript isn't working because I'm in the builder. But once I preview this, I'll go to the bottom of my home page, and you can see this in action here. So you can see just right now, it actually updated that value to 2024, even though I put 2023, which is a nice kind of tip, because you won't have to remember every year, at the end of every year, at the beginning of every year, to update that. So hopefully you find this helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe to our channel, and let me know what video you'd like to see next.